you're struggling to get a straight cut, a little trick I learned from a guy one time was just leave your square here and hold it and run your saw right along there. So let's make another mark real quick. Another 14-inch piece. Make our mark. Now we'll grab our saw, we'll get our guide lined up, and then I'm just going to slide this square nice and tight along my board right over against the guide of my saw. Now the guide of my saw is going to be running right up against there, and I don't have to worry about the unsteadiness in my hand. I'm going to get a nice straight cut. Now we'll slide that square up and you can see how perfectly straight that cut is. Getting a straight cut with a circular saw is a pretty big deal when you're framing a wall or doing really anything. You want that to touch the whole way across. Matt, come on in here, you can see this a little closer. See, we've got a nice straight cut, so if we go ahead and put nails or screws in here to hold this together, it's contacting all the way across.